Welcome to Advanblack's YouTube channel. I'm Steve, the service technician for Advanblack, and today I've got a really quick video for you guys to go over a few parts that we're adding to the website. We just wanted to update you on some of the stuff that we're selling over there at advanblack.com, and it's outside of the realm of color matched painted parts. Starting to add some more products to the website for the Harley touring motorcycles, and of course look forward to some Softail parts that'll be coming out on the website soon. Now over on Advanblack's website, we already sell the tour packs and we sell the quick detach tour pack mounting brackets that make those tour packs easy to take on and off the bike. We also sell 3-year variations of the 4-point docking system on the website. And now we're going to be adding the passenger backrest and luggage rack to the website. Now, maybe you just bought the motorcycle and you're looking for a passenger backrest. We're going to offer these in black and chrome. And we're also going to offer the luggage rack that goes out the back. And we have 2 variations of this. One that is just the backrest with the additional luggage rack separate from that. And then we also have an upgraded backrest that's adjustable, and it already has the luggage rack attached to the back of it. And those will be offered in black and chrome as well. Now this is the black standard backrest. Like I said, we'll have this in black and chrome. We also have the heavy duty luggage rack that mounts to the back of that backrest, and this will come in black and chrome as well. And then we have the upgraded version that is the backrest and the luggage rack and is also adjustable. As you can see, the big knobs on the side here, you can loosen these when it's attached to the motorcycle, and you can actually adjust the luggage rack and you can adjust the backrest. And it's a little bit easier to do when it's on the bike. So we'll just get the camera over here and show you how to install this. Let's talk about the 4-point docking system real quick. It's very important that you understand all of the docking points on the Harley Touring. You have the 4-point docking system, which is the left and right plate, which gives you a 4-point. And you also have the tops of your rear shock. So it's virtually a 6-point docking system. And as you can see on the 4-point docking system, your rear and your front is a little bit different. On the rear, you just have the solid black plastic. And on the front, you have the metal to the inside and you have the black plastic to the outside. And it's very important to note that the plastic pieces that are on here are kind of egg-shaped, just very slightly egg-shaped. So if you're having issues getting your turnbuckle latched or your front one on correctly, just simply turn the plastic just a little bit, try again, turn it a little bit, try again. When you get it in the correct position, it'll latch right on. It's also very important to note when this stuff is all brand new, it's super tight. It's supposed to be tight, so just bear that in mind. It will loosen up slightly over time, but you don't want this stuff back here rattling around. So from there we can talk about the position of the 3 different things that we can actually attach to the back of the touring models. If you have a tour pack and a tour pack mounting bracket, it's solely going to mount to the 4 points back here. If you have a passenger backrest, it's going to connect to the front 2 points and the top of your shock. If you have a passenger backrest and a luggage rack, the passenger backrest is still going to attach to the front 2 points and the top of your shock. And the luggage rack on the back is going to connect to the other 2 points on the front and then on the rear. So I get that call a lot, and it's important to know which docking place this stuff goes to, because we get customers that buy the tour pack and they've taken their backrest off and they're trying to mount the tour pack where the backrest used to be, and that's just not how it's designed. Tour pack's designed for the 4 points on the docking system. Another tip for you to bear in mind, that this plastic ring right here always will go to metal, and this metal turnbuckle will always go to plastic. Because I've seen this 4-point docking system put together incorrectly, where the plastic is on the inside and the metal's on the outside. The metal goes to the inside, the plastic goes to the outside. And I've also seen it where someone would assume that this black plastic piece would go to this black plastic piece, and that's just not how it goes. Plastic always goes to metal. Metal always goes to plastic. If you remember that, it's very easy to install this stuff. It's also important to note that when you're installing brand new stuff like this, whether it be the tour pack bracket or a backrest, you may have to slightly push in or pull out to get everything to line up. So the plastic is going to go to the metal, the tops of our shocks. Now you can see our metal is going to line up with our plastic. This one needs just pulled just a little bit, and that's locked on. You can see this adjusts quite a bit, so you can put that where you want it. This adjusts up and down. So if you want the seat a little bit more forward and this raised up, put it into the position and simply tighten it down. Now if we're doing the passenger backrest separate from the luggage rack, it's still going to go into the same position. We're going to roll that onto the top of the shocks Get these lined up. Now on the luggage rack, we have plastic again, so it has to go on metal, and metal back here, turnbuckle, is going to go on this plastic. We still have the inside metal piece left over on the front 4-point docking system. So you're going to slide that plastic over that metal. It'll roll this metal down to the plastic turnbuckle. And there you have it. I'm going to try to get this up on camera so you can see how this is put together. First thing you're going to have is your knob bolt and your spring. Put the spring onto the knob bolt, push it through. Next thing you're going to apply is the actual bracket that goes down to your bike. Then you're going to apply the luggage rack, and then you'll apply the seat, and then you'll put the backing plate on. Squeeze all of that together and turn that in. This backing plate is threaded on the inside, so that's how it goes together. Knob, spring, bracket down to your bike, luggage rack, seat, backing plate. Just all sandwiches together, very easy. Put the bolt through, thread it into that, and tighten it down. So that's it. Very quick and easy way to add a passenger backrest and a luggage rack, or the upgraded one that is adjustable with the luggage rack already installed on it. We just want to get it on video for you to let you know that we're updating the website with new stuff like this all the time. To make sure that you don't miss any new parts over on the website, make sure that you go over to advanblack.com. Up at the very top, there's a little link up there that says be the first to know. Click that, join our email list, and we'll let you know every time we come out with a new paint color or a new product that's added to the website. You'll get an email about it, letting you know, and you can jump over to the website and look at it. We always update all of our parts with install videos over here on the Advanblack YouTube channel, so make sure that you check out the YouTube channel as well. If you have any questions or concerned about the install, you can watch the video, and if you still have any questions or concerns after that, you can contact me via the comment link down below, or you can jump back over to Advanblack's website, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see parts and installation tech support. You can give me a call Monday through Friday, and I'll help you the best that I can. I'm gonna get out of here and get back to work, and until the next video, as always, be safe and keep your knees in the breeze.